Hello and welcome back. In the previous module, you've learned how to write a killer promo. In this module, we'll equip you with the necessary strategies to triple your affiliate commissions. So let's get started. Now be ready and open your mind for some new possibilities. At this moment, when you're doing affiliate marketing, you are in a competition with other affiliates selling the same products and the same methods. Isn't it hard to get an edge by being unique and different from other affiliates? Or can you convince people to purchase your product rather than purchasing from them? Well, being prepared for your promotion or product launch you are advertising is the single most important aspect of having a successful affiliate marketing business. Like anything else, you need to treat this like a business. How many successful businesses do you know that don't plan out their strategies? This is no different because you need a strategy to execute. So ask yourself these questions. What about offering more than what others can do? Would you mind giving an extra to attract more customers and get more sales? If you are willing to level up, then you should know the answer. The answer is a sweet bonus. In reality, most people out there are bonus shopping before they buy anything online these days. If customers can get something that adds value to their purchase or is more valuable than the product purchase price, surely it will be converted into more sales for you and the vendor. So yeah, you're selling the same thing as the other affiliates servicing the same market. But by having bonuses that are truly valuable, the customers would prefer to purchase it through your link. Bonuses are obviously designed and implemented with the aim to increase sales. They must be readily available and accessible to all customers once they purchase through your affiliate link. It creates excitement, and the results are both rewarding and profitable.